I gotta tell you guys a story. I went to a Subway, and on my way to the Subway, there was like this gentleman in front of me. He was like a considerable distance away. And then a guy is coming out of the restaurant, and he holds the door for that gentleman who is ahead of me. And I noticed that the guy is still holding the door, and I'm the only person outside from the restaurant. There was nobody coming out. I'm like, wait a minute, I think this guy is waiting on me. So I start running, and it's funny because this is not the first time I do that. Every time I see someone holding the door for me and I'm like more than 5 seconds away, I tend to sprint. And then the funny thing is that the guy said, "Oh, you didn't have to run." I'm like, thank you, but it's funny because I tend to just feel bad, keeping them waiting. Yeah! We're gonna take a shower, automotive shower. So the reason I'm doing this is because I keep saying, oh, I'm gonna wash my car, but I just don't have the time. So I'm going to commit the sin of letting the touchless do my job. Let's turn on the air because I'm cooking. That's embarrassing. My favorite part is turning my car into a concert. Sets your heart on fire. Oh yeah, vlogging music. It smells good. I'm in a plane! And that's the end of the show.